Hey guys, welcome to JPT. I'm Carson G, and this is Just Plain Tech. In today's video, we are going to install Linux Mint, a popular derivative of Ubuntu, on our computer. And Linux Mint is, like almost any other Linux distribution, very easy to install. So that's about it. That's all I have to say. Let's get into it. Alright, once you are on your desktop, you're going to type in linuxmint.com, and as you can see, it comes up right there. So once we're here, we're going to go to download, and down here you have 3 editions. I'm going to choose Cinnamon. I also recommend that you choose Cinnamon if you don't know which one to choose. So, and then you can just download from this mirror right here, and we will save it. And there we go. So we'll download our Linux Mint Cinnamon ISO file. And while we're doing so, we're going to use a software called Etcher to format it onto our USB drive. I already have it installed, as you can see, but you can just type in Etcher to download it, and you'll click that first link, and it will take you to this website where right here you can download it for Windows, Mac, or Linux, or Debian, or Red Hat, or whatever. So just download it there, and then once this is done downloading, I'll get back to you and we'll format our USB disk. Okay, so now if we go to our downloads folder, it's done. It's right there. It's all downloaded and everything. So now we will open up Etcher, which you should have installed. And we will do flash from file, and we'll just go to our downloads folder and select our Linux Mint ISO file, and make sure you have your USB drive plugged in, and everything on this USB drive will be erased. So it should just show up right here. Do not click hidden. Whatever's under there is like your hard drive or something, and you don't want to format it. So make sure it shows up there. You'll just select that. See how it's really easy and straightforward to do. And then it will flash. Once this is done flashing, we will put it into our computer and install Linux Mint. Alright, once you are on the Linux Mint Live CD, we're going to go over here and click Install Linux Mint. Okay, now this will open up. Make sure you're connected to the internet, as I am down here. Right here, you can select your keyboard layout and test it. I know for a fact that it works. Alright, right here when it asks us install multimedia codecs, yes, you definitely want to check that box so that way you don't have any trouble with media playback or games or websites or whatever. Definitely make sure you check that box. Okay, here we go. So once you are on this screen, you are just going to click Erase Disk and install Linux Mint. Now, warning, like it says here, this will erase everything. Your old Windows or Mac installation or whatever, everything will be erased. So make sure whatever important is on there is backed up. So having that being said, we will just click install now. Alright, right here we will just click continue. After that, it will ask you your location, and then it will bring you here. Who are you? Of course, we'll just type in a name. And we will do that. And of course, we'll enter a password. My password is going to be very secure. Password. There we go. So now we'll click continue. And now it will install Linux Mint for us. Once it's done, it will ask you to reboot. And then you will have a perfectly functional computer running Linux Mint. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell down below if you want to see more tutorials like this coming up next.